Imagine a world where we could erase genetic diseases before birth, boost intelligence, or even extend human lifespan. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, with CRISPR gene editing, this future might be closer than you think. But here's the big question. Just because we can rewrite our DNA, should we? What is CRISPR? CRISPR, short for Clustered Regularly Interspaced Short Palindromic Repeats, is a groundbreaking gene editing tool inspired by bacteria's natural immune system. Scientists discovered that bacteria use CRISPR to recognize and cut viral DNA, and they adapted this system to edit genes in plants, animals, and humans. Unlike older gene editing methods, CRISPR is cheap, precise, and relatively easy to use. It works like molecular scissors, cutting DNA at specific locations, allowing scientists to delete, replace, or modify genes with astonishing accuracy. CRISPR's potential and ethical dilemmas. CRISPR is already showing promise in treating genetic disorders like sickle cell disease, cystic fibrosis, and even cancer by altering faulty DNA. Clinical trials are underway to use CRISPR to cure blindness and hereditary heart conditions. Scientists dream of a future where we can eliminate inherited conditions altogether. Parents might soon be able to edit their unborn child's DNA to prevent diseases before birth. But here's where things get tricky. If we can edit out diseases, what stops us from enhancing intelligence, physical abilities, or even appearance? This opens the door to designer babies and the ethical debate on whether gene editing should have limits. CRISPR is powerful, but it's not perfect. Gene edits could have unintended mutations, leading to unforeseen health risks. A small error in editing could cause devastating consequences passed down through generations. Who controls the future? If gene editing becomes widespread, will only the wealthy have access to genetic enhancements? Could this technology deepen social divides, creating a new class of genetically privileged individuals? The future of gene editing CRISPR is already reshaping medicine, agriculture, and biotechnology. Scientists are using it to create disease-resistant crops, revive extinct species, and even develop treatments for aging. But regulations, ethical considerations, and public acceptance will determine how far we go. Many experts believe CRISPR should be used strictly for medical purposes, curing diseases, rather than enhancing human traits. But as technology advances, defining the line between treatment and enhancement will only get harder. So, can we really rewrite our DNA? Absolutely. But should we? That's the question humanity must answer. What do you think? Should we embrace gene editing for a better future? Or are we opening Pandora's box? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe for more deep dives into the biggest questions in science and technology.